6 hours and 18 minutes on this goddamn memory card. Shoot. Anyway, today we're doing something a little bit different. Okay? Oh, it's dark in here. I'm scared. I'm not scared anymore. Today, we're going to be replacing, well, not even replacing, we're going to be installing a water filter into this house because the water comes out orange. Okay? Oh, we got to turn this off. No copyright. I don't want to hear it. Okay. All right. We're going to be installing a water filter today. This is a whole house filtration system. Now, this was the cheapest one Home Depot had, and we looked up the reviews and it wasn't good. Okay, so about 50-50 people said that it leaks, and then other people said that it works great. So we took our chances because we didn't want to spend, you know, thousands and thousands of dollars on a water filter. It's dark again. Where's the light switch over here? There it is. All right, see what we got going on in here. All right, here's what's gonna be working. So it comes straight from the well pump into the softener and then out through the house. Okay? My idea is we're gonna be putting the filter in like right here in this area. Although this is, I think, lath or drywall. Not sure what it is. But, so yeah. First we gotta shut the well pump off. I'll have Carrie open up a faucet to get the pressure out of the lines. And then we'll disconnect our flex line here. It's coming straight from the pump. And then, yeah, I'll show you what we got. The filter here. Let me put you guys on my head. So this is the filter. I haven't even, well, this is the filter housing, I guess I should say. The filters are in the bag. Oops. This thing's bigger than I thought. Okay, we have a mounting bracket. What the heck is this thing? What the heck is this? Smart water. Okay, I have no idea what that is. There's our filter housing. Oh, now we're in trouble. Oh, you can like switch it. Filter. I don't want to break it. What is this? Oh, so the fittings just hold it on to the housing. Let me see. In, out. So it needs to be mounted this way. In, out.
So that's a magnetic filter change alert light.
Magnetic filter change alert light. Oh, it goes on top of here. I thought it sent me a message if there's a leak. Where's this big ass thing gonna go? I guess right here. I guess. Right here? No. Here? It's bigger than I thought it was. That's what she said. We can take this off. So people were complaining about these leaking, but so far everything looks pretty robust, you know, as they call it. So instead of having this big thing here, we can take this off. There's the filters. These are like 10 bucks for 2 of them. Just a lot cheaper than the other big one. More expensive one. There's our nipple. And our 90s. Lesson to be learned here. You can only wrap Teflon tape one way when you're doing a fitting. Okay? And the way I do it every day, but the way I remember it is you want to wrap it the way you thread it in, so clockwise, righty-tighty. Wrap it like this, and that way your little tail, when you break this piece off, will go with the grain. You see that? So if you had this tail the other way, when you're screwing it in, it would want to unravel itself. I did not think about that. Lever being in the way. Actually, I didn't even know the lever was a thing. I don't know if we'll be able to use this 90. Does this come off? Oh. Comes off. Good. Okay. We'll put our nipple in here because our hose that goes to the softener is a female. Yes, we do use male and female. Okay, people that don't know in pipe, or in wire connections, or gender. Okay. I'm not going to Teflon tape this side because this side's going to have an O-ring on here. It's only your pipe threads that you really want some Teflon tape on. Okay. So this is on, like, the filter. It's filtering right now. Or maybe it's not. Yeah, it is. Or is it off? No, it's on the filter. Okay, we're good there. Take this with me. Got my crescent wrench. I turn the well pump off. Drain the water out of the system. See if I can find which breaker it is. Well pump 3. Well, oh, 4. Can't turn it off. What's that about? Well pump, well pump. Three, 4. But 3 and 4 are blocked off. And 3 and 4 is empty. Okay. I'm not saying 18 is well pump, but I got a W on 16. What is going on? Hope we just flip 16 off and see what happens. See if that did it. See if we hear it kick on. The little diagram on there is very confusing. Because it says 3 and 4 well pump, and they're both blocked off. And then the old diagram says 18 is well pump, but number 16's got a W on it. So I'm not sure what that means. So I flipped 16 off, and we're going to see if that killed it. We didn't put our bracket on. You guys put our bracket on. Oh well. Figure it out. The well pump definitely won't kicked on by now, so I think we got it. Okay, I'll come back with you guys when we get this thing drained off. Okay, should be completely drained. And my gosh dang crescent wrench ain't big enough. Have to grab the channel locks. Little dribble, not bad. Oh, a lot of dribble. Should I put some underneath that to catch that? Whoever designed this valve here. Oh, there we go. There. It was just coming from the softener.
You don't need this.
No.
You can break one more bucket.
Okay, yeah, maybe we're gonna need it.
Do you want that? It's just the.
There's a bucket in the back of my truck. We used to, that was just our pump to get the water out of the boat.
Yeah.
Not too bad, not too hateful. So this, go on to here. Like so. Flex lines everywhere. I think this one's too short. By too short, I mean too long. Hey. Probably should put some Teflon on that. Probably should. This needs to be high enough to clear the filter housing though. So if we put this in here like this, we're gonna have enough room for this. No, because that angle. Right. Or some. Not a lot, but do it like there. As long as I can mount it somewhere. Oh yeah, this drywall goes all the way up there. So yeah, we can mount it there. Put our filter in. It's the same on both ends. Filter. Push. There it is. Or do we put it on the top first? Because it's going to be hard to align. Maybe not. Maybe just put it in here first. So the trick is it has to line up with that nipple up there, but you have no way of holding it so it aligns properly. But it looks like it's aligned. The others don't work. These work. Somebody driving by. Just the clock. Okay, then our plate, like that. If we turn this on, we should have any leaks. No leaks. Okay, now I just gotta get some drywall screws, lath screws. I don't know if I have any. I'll go check. These stainless steel jobbies. See if these work. We can't be done. Should have moved it over some. I see water dripping already. The pump's not even on. There's no water even here. Just residual. All right, you want to flip that breaker on?
Which one was it? 6?
7. Just flip it on. Keep your hand on it in case I have a leak.
Okay.
Hang on, hang on. Keep your hand on it. I think it's working. You can shut that sink off. Well pump just kicked off. Okay. The well pump just kicked off. So it's at full pressure. And we don't have a single drop of leak. Nothing's wet. Okay. Well, was way more nervous about that than I should have been. Well, because the tank holds 60 psi. If you have a leak, I guess I could crawl back in there and shut the valve off if I had to. I have no idea what this is.
Just, I don't know.
Did you put batteries in it already?
Yeah, I did.
How do you turn it on? Oh. Just put that on top.
Mm-hmm. Does it change the colors on that? The filters needs replaced or something?
Okay. Sure. Okay, well I guess that's it for now. That was pretty painless. It's not ideal spot, but it is what it is. I don't want to mess with it now, but what I could do to keep this, to get this further to the wall, more flush, is I could either just crack this, or just crack this and crack that, and then it'll let it relax to the wall, but now that it's full of water, we're just going to leave that how it is, okay? Hindsight being, I could have done that. All right, we'll see how our water is the next couple of days, and hopefully the filter helps. Well, all right, y'all. That's going to do it for this video. Yeah, we won't burn through a whole battery doing that. Jeez, must took longer than I thought. What are those? Oh, it came with mounting screws. Oh, that's fine. We found around. That's what happens when we don't look in the packaging. Okay, 3 minutes in, no leaks. Now, I think the problem is, because all the reviews, you know, like I said, there was 50, it's like 50-50. People loved it, and then people said it leaked, it's a piece of junk. Here's where I think the problem lies. I think it's user error. This filter has to go up in that nipple, and it has to sit down on that nipple. So if you put the filter in there first, and you go to screw it on, and this filter is leaned one way or the other, it's not going to seal, and you're just going to crush the filter. Because this is, I didn't even use the wrench. This is hand tight. And it's sealing fine. So this was like 40 bucks at Home Depot. The filters were $10, miscellaneous fittings. All in all, we spent $106 because we had to buy a flex line and then a 90, 3/4, and then a 90, and then a nipple because this is female and that's male. And then obviously this was already here, as you guys saw, but so yeah, that was it's pretty simple. I was a little nervous because dealing with the water and stuff, and I didn't want to leak, but and then you're gonna have to pull this little knob thing off. I turned it to filtration mode or whatever. So that's obviously where we're gonna leave it. That's why we installed it, to filter the water. So that's gonna do it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I know it's a little different than what we normally do, but you know, it is what it is. I just heard a drip. Residual. We'll go with that. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.